Hello friends, my name is Santokh Singh and today in this video we are going to learn the ant philosophy. Why is it important to learn the ant philosophy? Ant philosophy is flooded with number of leadership qualities, and if you incorporate these qualities within you, you can also become the great future leaders. And besides that, there are some multinational organizations which are trying to bring out the highest potential of their employees, and in that process they are training them the ant philosophy so that the efficiency of the organization may get improved. And that's the reason why today we are learning this wonderful topic. Let us see why the ants are so special and why they are always regarded as the personification of great leaders. The number one quality is the lifespan. The lifespan of an ant is 45 to 50 days. And in these 45 to 50 days, they never sleep. They keep on working very hard, relentlessly. They don't care about themselves. The message they pass on to all of us that we should work very hard. We should work very hard, yes. But why is it so? We are working hard, we are unable to achieve the success, the desired level of success, I would say. Most of the time, there are some of the reasons. The first reason could be either we are trying to put the efforts in wrong direction, or we are trying to put the efforts without even identifying our passion, our interest, or we are trying to put the efforts with some misconception. And the misconception is work only smart, don't work hard. You will not get success by working hard. My dear friends, if you believe in such kind of scenario, you will never be able to achieve the success. In fact, hard work is inevitable. There is no substitute to hard work. Hard work is important. You will have to work hard in your life in order to achieve your success. Very another wonderful thing is most of the time we are attached to the outcome of the result. And if you are attached to the outcome of the result, you will not enjoy the process of working hard. So that's the reason why you also live the work in middle. You give up in middle, stating that I'm not getting the results. So that is not how you should work very hard. You should in fact believe in the thought that you are only entitled to put the efforts. You are not entitled to get the fruits. And the another quality that they pass on to all of us is they think positive when it is negative, and they think negative when it is positive. Now what does that mean? The favorable environment for an ant is summer season, and during the summer season they are always preparing for the rainy season, and you will find them in the rainy season they are preparing themselves for the upcoming season. And the message they pass on to all of us that a leader is a person who has the ability to see beyond 5 years. And you should always anticipate the future repercussions. They know that life can never be always the bed of roses. You will find yourself between the scissors at one time. So you should keep on preparing yourself. The another quality that we can learn from the life of an ant is whenever you observe them, they are always walking in the straight line with proper discipline. Discipline. Yes, my dear friends. Discipline is always wrongly assumed that it takes away your freedom. But discipline gives you the liberty that you would reach to your destination with safety. What happens when you are riding your bike in the street? You encounter most of the time the signals. And signals guarantee you that you would reach to your destination with safety. So that is the reason why we should always find ourselves into discipline. Many people assume that discipline is the stereotypes, and they don't want to stuck themselves into the stereotypes. And the another quality that you can learn from the life of an ant is if you carefully observe, when the ants are walking in the line, they always take a pause and they try to communicate with each other. Yes, my dear friends, communication. However busy you are, you should never let your networks dry up. Keep on improving your networks, because most of the people who are working at the high level management, they are always focusing upon 90% upon communication skills and only 10% on their technical skills. Whereas people who are working at the bottom level management, they try to focus only 10% upon communication skills and 90% upon technical skills. And you know that people, those who are at the high level management, they are improving their networks, and over a period of time they found themselves into a commanding position. And the another quality that you can learn from the life of an ant is, if you block their way, they will find different routes to reach to their destination, but they will not stop. The only way you can stop them, you need to kill them. So this is the wonderful quality that we can learn from the life of an ant is, when you block their way, they have four wonderful, remarkable qualities: reasoning, exploring, discovering, and overcoming the problem. Reasoning, exploring, discovering, and overcoming the problem. Now, what does that mean? If I have to relate it to the real life, suppose if I have to reach to my destination, to my office, and on the way I encounter the traffic, I encounter the ditches. Do I return back? No, because I know that the energy that is utilized for coming back can be used for reaching to my destination. The another quality that you can learn from the life of an ant is, if you see the mound where they stay, and if you happen to kick their mound, you would not see that the ants are running helter-skelter. You would not see any chaotic situation, any commotion. In fact, they will all synchronize their energies and they will be on the rampage to teach you a lesson. So this is the wonderful quality. They teach us the unity. The another quality that we can learn from the life of an ant is, if you see them properly, they don't require any leaders. They are always passion driven by themselves. They have the explicit faith upon their own abilities, and they keep on working with focus upon their work. They don't require leaders. They don't require people who are pointing out, this is your task, you need to do that. They never allow people, or they never allow anyone to tell them or guide them how the work has to be done. Well, the another quality that we can learn from the life of an ant is, you would never see that ants are always backbiting. You would never see that they are having any personal grudges or prejudices against each other. You would never see. In fact, in number of multinational organizations, there are few people, they are always trying to communicate with their co-workers, stating that don't complete the work within the stipulated period of time, else the higher level management will overburden with you with some more extra workloads. So please stop working with highest proficiency, highest efficiency. So in this way, they spread the negativity. But ants teaches us that you should be only focused with your own principles and don't try to spread the negativity in the team. The another great quality that you can learn from the life of an ant is, if you observe, most of the time, whenever the ants are carrying the dead cockroaches upon their head, they are all focused in taking that cockroach to one destination. Nobody has differences in their intentions. In fact, they all are focused at one point, and it gives us an impression that we should always unanimously decide and reach to our destination and work in a team, become a team player, because anything wonderful that happens in the world is the collective efforts of number of people. Thank you so much for watching this video, and subscribe to my channel for more such kind of videos. And this is Santosh Singh signing off for today. Thank you so much.